This is the Ujani Reservoir. On February 14th, nearly 12.2 million fish fingerlings were released into it, making it one of the largest fish stocking events in the state. This was done to counter the damage caused by invasive species. Before we go further, take a look at some of the other important stories that we covered. Zimbabwe has rolled out lenacapavir, a twice-yearly HIV prevention injection targeting over 46,000 high-risk people to curb new infections. A new CITES report shows over 553,000 pangolins were seized between 2016 and 2024, underscoring relentless illegal trade threatening all 8 species. At the 2026 ministerial meeting of the International Energy Agency in Paris, 54 countries reinforced cooperation on energy security and critical minerals, backing the clean energy transition despite opposition from the United States. To know more about these stories, visit our website down2earth.org.in and subscribe to our YouTube channel Down to Earth. Unmesh Katwate, who is a senior scientist at the Bombay Natural Historical Society or BNHS, which is a pan-India wildlife organization, told Down to Earth the Ujani wetland at Palasdev in Pune district had witnessed a decline of native fish species due to the introduction of invasive alien ones like tilapia, African catfish, and suckermouth catfish. One of the reasons stated for their increase in population is the high commercial value. However, a recent catch data study by the Bombay Natural Historical Society shows invasive tilapia production has dropped by 30 to 40%, indicating a gradual return of native species dominance. We have recently worked to remove these invasive species from the reservoir. At the same time, we wanted to reintroduce native species that had declined. The exercise on February 14th was a step in this regard. The fingerling species introduced belong to Rohu, Mrigal, and Catla, which are collectively known as Indian major carps, and these are vital for sustaining healthy freshwater ecosystems. Looking ahead, the Bombay Natural Historical Society, supported by the Cipla Foundation, plans to breed 12 threatened and endemic species during the June and July monsoon season, aligned with their natural migration. It aims to release 10 lakh Indian major carp and 10 lakh fingerlings of the threatened Deccan Mahseer to revive native fish stocks in the Ujani wetland and the Bhima River ecosystem. By strengthening native species and curbing invasive ones, the initiative aims to restore the reservoir's ecological balance. Sustained efforts could help rebuild a resilient freshwater ecosystem while supporting local livelihoods. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions, please comment below.